Rethinking Fallowing Land, Challenging Conventional Thinking. The traditional belief that fallowing land is necessary to restore soil fertility, control weeds, and pests has been ingrained in agricultural practices. However, it's important to recognize the adverse effects of fallowing, which can result in significant damage to the soil and its ecosystem. The harmful effects of fallowing land: when soil is plowed and left bare, several adverse effects occur. Demolished habitat for soil organisms. Plowing disrupts and destroys the habitat of essential soil organisms, leading to a decline in biodiversity and ecological balance. Loss of root systems. The uprooting of plants during plowing removes the root systems that provide essential passages for the infiltration of air and water into the soil. Soil collapse and reduced water absorption. The absence of plant roots causes the soil to collapse, reducing its capacity for water absorption and aeration. This impairs the soil's ability to retain moisture and nutrients necessary for plant growth. Creation of hardpan. Frequent plowing can create a hardpan, a compacted layer of soil that restricts root growth and hinders water infiltration. Development of anaerobic life. In airless soil pores created by plowing, anaerobic life forms thrive, which can be detrimental to the aerobic life required by plants to flourish. Increased water evaporation. Bare soil exposed to the elements experiences higher rates of water evaporation, leading to the loss of moisture crucial for sustaining aerobic life. Soil temperature rise. In the absence of vegetation cover, soil temperatures can soar to extreme levels, reaching over 70 degrees Celsius in the summer, which is detrimental to the survival of plants and soil organisms. Burning of organic matter. Without protective vegetation cover, organic matter in the soil is susceptible to burning off under high temperatures, resulting in the loss of vital nutrients and soil structure. Loss of weed cover. Weeds play a crucial role in covering the soil, maintaining moisture, and regulating temperature. Fallowing can cause the death of these beneficial plants, further exacerbating the negative impact on soil health. Rethinking Fallowing Land, Challenging Conventional Thinking. Lifeless soil. Collectively, these factors contribute to the degradation of the soil, rendering it lifeless and unsuitable for sustainable agricultural practices. By acknowledging the adverse effects of fallowing land, we can recognize the urgent need to rethink and adopt sustainable alternatives that promote soil health, biodiversity, and long-term productivity. Conclusion. In light of the adverse effects of fallowing land, it becomes evident that a paradigm shift is necessary in our approach to agriculture. By embracing the principles of PQNK, Peterkrati Nizam Kashadakiari, a sustainable natural farming system, we can revolutionize the way we cultivate our land. PQNK emphasizes the importance of nurturing soil health, preserving biodiversity, and implementing practices that promote long-term sustainability. By avoiding the harmful practices of plowing and leaving soil bare, we can protect the habitat of essential soil organisms, maintain the integrity of root systems, and prevent soil collapse. Furthermore, PQNK encourages the preservation of continuous vegetation cover, which regulates soil temperature, prevents water loss through evaporation, and protects organic matter from burning. By doing so, we can create a favorable environment for beneficial bacteria, ensure aeration and water absorption capacity, and avoid the development of anaerobic life harmful to plant growth. Additionally, PQNK recognizes the significance of weeds as natural soil cover, essential for moisture retention and temperature regulation. By maintaining proper soil structure and reducing water evaporation, we can mitigate the growth of weeds and address the underlying issues of soil collapse and bare soil. In conclusion, by adopting the principles of PQNK, we can unlock the potential of sustainable natural farming. This approach enables us to enhance soil fertility, protect the environment, and ensure long-term food production. It's time to embrace this transformative system and cultivate a future where agriculture and nature coexist harmoniously for the benefit of present and future generations.